to learn about GUI operating system. Okay, in this operating system, it was about Windows 7 desktop. You can see in front of your screen. Here it is a Windows 7 desktop. Now we are going to discuss about um, the component of Windows 7 desktop. Component means the part of Windows 7 desktop. So here first is desktop background. It is given in the book. Desktop background is the picture that you can see here. You can see four squares with different color. Okay, this picture, whatever picture you can see at the background, is called desktop background. Okay, now you can, next one is icon. You can see here there are many types of icon given here. Okay, these are the small program that open the program. As you click on it, you will get the program open. So I have done double click on Google Chrome, so it will open here. You can see the program is open here. Okay, so these are the icon that help to run the program. Okay, next is taskbar. This is the taskbar you might have seen. This is the taskbar, and here there are different part of taskbar. This is start button. uh, you can see here the name is appearing. So start button, when you click on start button, you will get start menu. So this is called start menu, that is open and with the different name. And here is a search box, so you can type and search something. Suppose that I'm going to type notepad, NOTEPAD. So I got notepad here. Okay, so search box help to search something, okay, from the note this start menu. Now next one is, here you can see some of the icons. These are the launcher box. These are the launcher icons appear on the taskbar that help to open the program uh, quickly. So if you want to open this player, so you need not to go here and all program and etc. From here you can open directly. So the profit of this is to open directly. Now this side come, this right side of the taskbar. Here you can see the date and time. You can see here it shows clock. When you click on this, you can see the clock. Okay, we will learn about this in further. Okay, now here it is some a rectangle part is here, that shows the desktop. When you click on this, it will show the desktop. Okay, where your desktop is. And this is a speaker, so you can increase or decrease the volume of the speaker of your system. And these are the part, some of the part where you get the notification as you get in the mobile, the messages, or if you attach any device or pen drive etc., so it will give you notification that there is something happening with your system. Okay, now let's go to the shortcut to create shortcut. Now shortcut, to creating shortcut, suppose that I want to create a shortcut on desktop, so I will do right click on the desktop. I will go to new. Now here I will get some menu. Now in this I will select the second option, that is shortcut. Click on shortcut. Here I have to browse which folder I want to create shortcut of. So I want to create shortcut of network. So network it is not allowing. So let's take another one. So I want to create the shortcut of puja folder. Okay, now click on OK. Okay, okay, here I have the path that I have selected, here it is showing. Now click on next. Now name you can change from here. Earlier it was password. I am going to write folder. Okay, so I'm going to create a shortcut of a file with the name folder. Now finish. Here you can see the folder shortcut icon you may see with this arrow. This arrow shows that this is the shortcut file. Okay, so this way you can create a shortcut. Now next, opening a program. How to open a program? You can open a program by clicking on the start menu. Okay, and you have to either you can write here to search the program, or you can go to all program. Okay, and you can write here, suppose that you want to open Paint. Okay, so start all program, or Paint you can get here only. Okay, need not to go all program. Either you can go all program, then accessories. In accessories also you can get Paint, so Paint will open like this. Okay, so this is the method to open a program, any program. Now next, creating a program shortcut. If you want to create a shortcut of a program, then step will be same, but you need to select. Let's create a shortcut. Do right click on the blank area of the desktop, go to new, and here new, create a shortcut. Okay, now go to browse. In the browse you can go to my computer. In my computer you can go to sys, local disk C. Here you can go to program file. In the program file, Microsoft, go to Microsoft Office. In the Microsoft Office you can create on the template. Okay, local disk C, Microsoft Office document. Okay, so here document are given. Select the document, click on OK. Now next, finish. So you can create a shortcut of a program, that is PowerPoint program. Okay, so as you open, you will get the PowerPoint file. Okay, so similarly you can create a program of any shortcut of any program. Now setting date and time. To set date and time, you need to go to notification area of the taskbar, that is this side, and you have to do double click or single click on this. You can get the time box open. Okay, here you can change the date. Since today is 21st of June, that is showing, you can change the date by right click on that, or no, this is to show the date, but if you want to change, you can do click on change date and time setting. So as you click on date and time setting, you will get another box. In this you can change the date as well as time. Okay, so here the option is change date and time. Click on this. From here you can change the time, 7 o'clock. Okay, and from here you can change the rate. Okay, so here it is showing 7:28 and date is 23rd. Okay, so this way you can change the time. Let's reset the correct setting. So here it is showing 23, it should be 21, and time will be 4 o'clock, I think. Okay, so this is how you can change the setting of the date and time. Now to increase and decrease volume, you have to go to notification area, to the notification area of the taskbar. Here you can see the icon of sound. So as you click, this will open. You can click and increase the size, you can click and decrease the size. Okay, so this is for today's class. I hope you all understand. Take care, have a nice day.